Hello, I'm Eleanor Sexton, and I am doing a Nearpod presentation on the planets for 4th grade. The learning objectives will be the students will order the 8 planets of our solar system in relation to their distance from the sun. So they will begin. The first slide of the Nearpod presentation is a pre-assessment question. Can you name the 8 planets of our solar system? And the students will answer as many planets as they can to see how much they already know about the planets. And then this slide is, the lesson is called Beyond the Sky's Limit, and there's a picture to show all the planets in order, and I would briefly go through those. And then I would go over the 2 types of planets, terrestrial and gas giants. And then the next slide shows which planets are terrestrial. And the next slide shows which are gas giants. And then after that, they have a quick question that they can answer. Which of these is a gas giant, just to make sure that they are paying attention and that they are learning the difference between terrestrial and gas giants. So the answer for this one is Saturn. And then next, I would go through the planets in order. The first planet being Mercury, with the orbit, how long it takes to for the orbit to go around the sun, and then a fun fact about the planet. And then you have Venus with its orbit and a fun fact. And the third planet, Earth. Fourth planet, Mars. The fifth planet, Jupiter. The sixth planet, Saturn. And then after that, this slide is a 3D thing where they can move Saturn around, and I can also show them how the rings are not attached to Saturn. They orbit around the planet. After that is the 7th planet, Uranus. And then this slide, they draw and name the planet with the most rings, so the answer would be Saturn. So they would draw a picture of Saturn and then write out Saturn. And then 8th planet, Neptune. And then review, just going over the planets in order, and then a review of terrestrial and gas giants.